Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Himsarkis here, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Hide and Seek Extreme, as you can see. See this? You see this? There's wires everywhere. As, yeah, okay, let's get right into it. Let's load this up. Starting, yes. Okay, there we go. Let's get right into it. So I'm joining a server. I'm alone. No one. Welcome to Hide. Yes, I already played this before. 775. They probably already started playing a game. Dang it. That's that scared me when I heard that. Okay. Yep, we already started. Oh, there's only 1 minute left. I guess we could. I'm gonna pause the here. We'll pause it until it's ready. So I'll see you guys when it's ready. Okay, so we're back, and there's only 3 people playing. Oh well, I mean that's the people left, and it actually really did suck. So I'm not gonna select the map. We're going to where are we going to? My stuff hasn't loaded in yet. Still, that's annoying. Attic. Okay, I was hoping for that. Okay, load in my stuff, please. Who's the character? Load and. Okay, is it gonna be? No, it's not gonna be me. Yep, Princess Cheese. I'll hope that everything loads in by this time I get in it. Okay. It's not. Oh, I did load in. Okay, God. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go right up there. So if I can find the way up there. Oh, it's over here. Okay, let's go. Not. Let's actually go up here. This might be better. Because they're probably gonna go up to the ladder first. Let's get up to that place up there. Can I even get up to that? Oh. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. No, I guess not. I thought it was gonna work like that. Like you could get up to there. I guess not. Okay, let's just go across here. Wait, can I? Oh. Ooh, if I fail this, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Can I run? Oh, that's impossible. I'm not gonna try that. Maybe if I can get onto the. Oh, wait. Wait a second. That can't work. Is that it? Use the it. Okay, never mind. He's just started. He's getting out of that box. Okay, let's start right here. Start running. You know what? I'm gonna hide around this painting. He'll never know I'm here. Also, I have a escape route right there. Let's see. Let's spectate it. Spectate him. Up. Her. Sorry! I'm sorry! Okay, I guess they're not gonna be smart enough to do that. There's actually a teleporter right there. No way. Is there actually up the sky? This person. This guy. Would you just. I mean, this person. Okay, I guess we'll just start running around, I guess. Ooh, wait. I can get to this side. Hi. Hi, how are you? Ooh, I have an idea. I'm gonna hop on someone else. Oh my gosh, this diabolical one. What do you want? Push. Can I push you? Ah, I want to push you off. No. Ugh. Wait, what? That's not it. It is really far, isn't it? Ooh, yeah, she's really far. Hey, don't push me. No. Okay, can I actually? I'm not gonna be able to make that. That's too far. Oh, she's right there. Oh, she's right there. Okay, I need to move. Wait, did she? Oh, I thought she fell off. Okay, I need to get across right now. I need to start moving. Wait, can you? Wait, you can climb up the. I'm getting myself distracted. This is it. I need to start running. Okay, I hope she's not behind me. Okay. Oh, this is really. Wait, what? Did you push them off? Oh, I'm not doing that. That's too far. Wait, can I make that? What if I can make this? Man, I might have to screw it. Go for. Okay, he's not it. Oh, is that? No, that can't be. Oh, thank God. She's like way down there. Okay, so 1 minute remaining. Can I get onto the book? It's probably there's a teleporter. Yeah, maybe it's teleporter right behind the thing. Where would that go? There's a teleporter right there. I might start heading towards that. That's not. No, he's not. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. How do you say bye? Oh, oh, she's really far away. If I do this, she's really far away. Is there a coin down there? Watch. Oh, fuck. I said the wrong word. Why did I say that? You see that? How close is she now? Oh, she's really far, actually. I'm gonna actually get myself up to here. I'm gonna hide behind this box. Oh, wait, where is she?
Apology.
Oh, that's where she is. Wait, why are you not getting anybody? Oh, she's not getting anybody on purpose. Yep, never mind. I'm like, never mind. You know what? I'll just go run around if she's not being that kind of person that's a little twip and do that. Thwip, when we that grace us, whip in that grip, good. And then build me up, I wanna be the slip, put it on your lip, better than you whip, and me down and build me. Oh, she's right there. She's right there. Oh, I'm so close, not too close. No! Oh, hi. Hi there, person. Can I get into the box? Oh, well, this is it. This is it! Whoa! Zip! I didn't know you could do that. Oh yeah. 10. Yay, 10 credits. I won! Look at my name, it's right there. Ah! I don't want to select the map because, like, I just want to see what it does. What is it? What's it gonna be? Attic again? Are you serious? This time I'm gonna go find a better hiding spot. Or yeah, I'm gonna be it. Ooh, I have a 6.25% chance of it being me. Well, it's not me. That's all I know. Wait. Oh, I was so close! I was right there! Oh my gosh. Man, that sucks. It was like right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, this time I have a better idea. Let's go into that teleporter that was like... Stop clapping. Stop y'all clapping. Look, see, look, there's something right here. Oh, that's just a jump boost? No! I'm so stupid! Why would I think that would be... Oh, crap. Oh, no. I have a horrible hiding spot. I have no hiding spot to be sure of. Gosh, why did I have to do that? Why did I just think... Gosh, I gotta get to somewhere. Right now. Get up there, just get up there right now. That sounds wrong, but I need to get up there. Ooh, I'm getting up there. Bye. Wait, can I like... Oh, no. Crap. Wait, I'm gonna try to do this. I feel like I'm gonna fail, but let's see. Wait, what the... Oh, crap. Well, this is it. You know what? I'm just gonna run. She's really close. Oh, it's really... Oh, that's really getting down fast. Holy crap. No, I'm done. I'm done for. Well, I'm done for. Okay, she's getting further. He or she, I don't care. Okay, I thought that would work. Well, I'm stupid. Well, I failed myself because I'm getting closer. That's what's amazing. This stunts. If I start... It gets greater. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, he scared me. I'm just gonna hide in the spawn. Just go eat. You know what? I'm just gonna go hide in the spawn because that's a smart idea. That's a really smart idea. Oh wait, jump boost. Yay. Oh yay. Yeah. You know, let's hide up here. This seems like a good spot to hide. Oh no, that's it right there. That's funny. That's not really funny actually, cause like that's not funny. That's not funny. Wait, can I get up there? Oh wait, I can. I'm actually right here. Jump. I'm actually gonna try something. It's probably gonna fail to do this, but wait, where is she? He or she, who cares? Yep, I don't really care. Oh wait, I thought that was... Ooh, I can make this jump, can I? Yes. Screw you. Haha. Screw you. Wait. Look at that. Is that like higher up? Because I'm wondering. I wonder if I want to drop down. Oh, it's minusing. Oh, it's minusing. It's really minusing. It's really getting shorter and shorter. Okay, it's not. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Haha, stop dating. Let's stop that. See, look, I'm totally fine. You can get up here. Oh my gosh, that's it right there. Oh, 1 minute remaining. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Well, so now what? Look. Oh, he sees me, doesn't he? Oh no, he sees me. He sees me. Hello. Hello there. Don't touch me. Oh shoot. Does he know how to get up here? Hi. I'm just gonna go. What's he doing? What's he doing? Is he doing his cheats? Oh crap. Yep, you can't get up. Shoot, shit. He's right there. Oh, you're so stupid. He's thinking you can jump up there and get onto it. But no. You can't get me. Na boo boo. I'm going back to the spot every single time because they don't know how to get up here. Man. See, he's walking away like in shame. Haha, I had the best spot. That's like the best spot in the game. Holy crap. So, we're really good at this. I guess we can try doing one more round. This is like best spots in the world. Oh my gosh. Ha ha. I'm so smart. How am I so smart like that? Maybe I can try coming onto the bicycle. How far is he? I know it's a he because I saw Can I try? I don't think you can climb up that, but I'm not gonna jump down. It's too good. I'm just gonna walk around doing some basics like a ninja. See, look. He doesn't even know that you can use his blocks to get up here. Stupid. Yay! Yay! Oh my gosh, there's only... Oh, that's not a lot. That's 6 people. Holy crap, that's not a lot of people. Okay. Last round. How long is one round? Might have to pause. Come on, choose it. Please don't be the addict again. We've been playing that for 3 rounds. Oh, Ethan's better. That's better, at least. How long is each game? Now with the select the character. Well, I have a 13-point chance. It's probably gonna be. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be me. That's sad. No, it's 12. Well, I'm 12, so okay. Let's look. I played this map before, so I know exactly where the best hiding spot is. I know exact. Oh wait, it's changed. It's changed a lot. Oh no, it's changed. It's changed. Oh, it's laggy. Nope, it's not actually changed. Let's get these. Hey, my meanie butt. Okay, I know a good spot I could go to. W, A, S, and D. We're gonna get up to we don't actually do. No, we don't need to get up to. No, there's a teleporter in the drawer. That teleports you to below, right? No, no. Nani? It's right down here. There's a grappling hook in here. Man, this part. What? Yeah. See? Look. Spawn the game. I wouldn't say this is the best spot, but it's a pretty good spot. See, look. Stuff on. No. Yeah. I'm actually gonna try this. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm gonna jump down here. Yes, I made it. Well, we might not make it, so let's just pause until the guy gets close. We'll see you guys until it gets closer. Y'all didn't see it, but he literally just jumped right down, and that scared me so much. Oh, there's a minute left now. Oh, it's getting really close. It's getting really close. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna do it until it's almost 10 seconds, or it's gonna get me close. Okay, see you guys in there. Okay, so we're back, and it's 18 seconds, 17, 16. I don't know where he is. Where is he? Oh, he doesn't know where I am. He totally doesn't know. I'm over here on the second shelf because I was a smart person and changed my position because he was getting really close. So, well, this is it. I won. Yay. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!